Hi guys, here's the animated text from this tutorial. Let's get started. First, prepare the composition. Add text. Open the text layer and add Animate. Blur, set it to 30, and add the opacity property to 0. Then, in the Range selector, Advanced section, there's a section called Shape. Change the shape to Ramp Up and set the ease low to 65%, or you can adjust this. Enable Randomize Order so the animated text appears randomly. Add a keyframe offset at -100 at the beginning and a second keyframe at 100 for the animated text. Select the keyframe and ease ease, or press F9 on your keyboard for Windows users. Random seed to adjust the randomness. Next, go to Text. Add Animate to. Tracking. And activate the first keyframe at 0 and the second keyframe around 9 to 11, or adjust it to your liking. Here, I added the animated text out by adding a keyframe at 100 and an end keyframe at -100. Okay, that's all. I hope this is helpful.